Hi everyone, so welcome back to this channel. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change gender from male to female on CapCut apps. So here, if you want to do a gender swap, you need to add a picture because CapCut only allows this feature to pictures or image. So you can't do this on a video. So after you import the photo, you can just click on the photo and go to style, and here just swipe on the category until you find face swap. Okay, and swipe again until you find the gender swap option. So there will be two options, from male to female and vice versa. So you can just click on the first one to change it into a female like this, and just click on the check icon. But if you want to create a before and after look, you can just copy to image and select the second one to change the gender. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and subscribe. Bye.